The following portion of Studio 512 is sponsored on behalf of Bumblebee by Tips on TV. As summer winds down, families are juggling busy routines and asking, what's for dinner, lunch, a quick snack? And they're looking for simple meal ideas that are affordable, satisfying, and protein-packed. Here to help is viral food influencer, mom of four, and recipe creator Courtney Cook with family-friendly recipe ideas for busy school days. Courtney is known for her wildly popular teacher lunch videos and creative meal ideas that have attracted millions of views. We're happy to have her. Courtney, hello.
Oh, thank you so much for having me. It is my pleasure to be here.
Lovely to have you. Okay, what's the secret to creating practical, enjoyable meals, Courtney?
You know what I think the secret is just making sure that you have versatile options at home that are high protein, satiating, convenient, ready to go, like Bumblebee Snackers. This is a favorite among my kids and especially my husband and I. And this is something that we can enjoy and feel satiated and just have on hand ready to go when we are ready for it.
Nice, sounds good to me. When it comes to classic meals, let's talk about a go-to for you.
Oh my goodness. Well, I have to tell you about two of them. Okay, so my mom, she is a Bumblebee tuna lady. Okay, she has a pantry full of Bumblebee tuna. And as kids, for my brother and myself, she would make this amazing tuna noodle casserole with egg noodles and cream of whatever soup and tuna and crackers. And it was kind of a retro dish. We love it. It's nostalgic. What my kids ask for is a jacket tuna potato. So jacket is a British term for baked potato essentially, but you just cut it open, you add some butter, and then you make a quick tuna salad with mayo and sweet corn and shredded sharp cheddar cheese and put it on the hot potato. And when you get a bite of the cold salad and the cold cheese even with the hot potato, it's divine and it checks all the boxes. A little green onion on there too if your kids are okay with that.
Sounds good to me, and I'll tell you, you and I are friends. I am a tuna noodle casserole lover myself.
Yes,
yeah, so where you grew up.
Yeah, down in Atlanta, south of Atlanta. We're just tuna people.
Do you have advice for a quick protein-rich meal?
Absolutely. You know what I've been into recently, and even I pack this for my kids in their lunchbox. So kind of like a snack plate. Those are having kind of a viral moment right now. But I base it around a Bumblebee snacker. My favorite is the Thai chili flavor. It's sweet and spicy. And then I add whatever veg is in my fridge. So bell peppers, cucumbers, carrots, crackers, because I have multiple boxes of crackers in the pantry that my kids opened and only ate one out of, so we got to eat the crackers. And then my favorite thing when I have it is to pair it with a fresh pineapple spear. And I'm telling you, that with the Thai chili tuna, it's so divine. It is crunchy and juicy and savory and spicy. It's something you just got to do.
I love the sweet and savory together. Okay, this is a big one, Courtney. How can families keep meal costs down right now?
That is such an important question. I think a lot of people think about that. For sure, I think that we need to focus on affordable proteins. And I think sometimes tuna gets slept on a little bit, and we sometimes even forget about it. So I think it's important to make sure you have it stocked in your pantry, you have it on hand so you can add it to your family's meals or their snacks or toss it in your purse and make sure everybody has an affordable, protein-heavy snack or meal that will keep them satiated.
Any other recipes to share today?
Yes, ma'am. Oh my goodness, this one's my favorite, I think. Okay, this is my grown-up version of ants on a log. So we all know ants on a log, celery, peanut butter, raisins are the ants. This is kind of fancy, okay? I'm getting fancy on you. Celery, this is the lemon pepper snacker, no drain, pop top, ready to go, already flavored. Just spread that on the celery. The ants are black olives, a fresh squeeze of lemon, and you are in business.
Sounds good to me. Okay, where can we go today for more information?
For more information and inspiration, you can go to bumblebee.com, and you can also find me on social media on Instagram at Courtney Cook Insta or on TikTok, Courtney Cook.
Sounds good. Courtney, thank you for the inspo. We appreciate it.
Thank you so much for having me.
The preceding portion of Studio 512 was sponsored on behalf of Bumblebee by Tips on TV.